Tired of feeling like your money is slipping through your fingers? Do you find yourself constantly wondering where your hard-earned cash is going? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to track their spending, understand their finances, and ultimately take control of their money. That's where personal finance apps come in. Two of the most popular contenders in this space are Rocket Money and Mint. Both promise to help you budget, track spending, and save money. But which one is truly better for you? Transition to the core comparison. Let's dive deep and find out. Rocket Money. Focus. Rocket Money is primarily known for its aggressive bill negotiation and subscription cancellation features. It proactively identifies and cancels unused subscriptions, negotiates lower rates on bills, and even helps you find and claim unclaimed money like refunds or rebates. Key features. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money automatically contacts your service providers to negotiate lower rates on bills like internet, phone, and even insurance. Subscription cancellation. The app scans your accounts and identifies recurring subscriptions you may have forgotten about, allowing you to easily cancel them with a single click. Unclaimed Money Finder. Rocket Money searches for and helps you claim unclaimed money like tax refunds, uncashed checks, and forgotten deposits. Spending tracking. While not its primary focus, Rocket Money also offers basic spending tracking capabilities, allowing you to categorize your expenses and get an overview of your spending habits. Mint. Focus. Mint is a comprehensive personal finance platform that emphasizes budgeting, spending tracking, and financial planning. It provides a holistic view of your finances by aggregating data from all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Key features. Budgeting. Mint allows you to create custom budgets, track your spending against those budgets, and receive alerts when you're approaching your spending limits. Spending tracking. Mint excels at spending tracking, providing detailed insights into your spending habits with customizable categories and visualizations. Credit monitoring. Mint offers free credit monitoring, including credit score tracking, credit report alerts, and identity theft protection. Investment tracking. If you have investments, Mint can track your portfolio performance and provide insights into your investment strategy. Financial goals. You can set and track financial goals within the app, such as saving for a down payment or a vacation. Head-to-head comparison. Bill negotiation and subscription cancellation. Rocket Money clearly wins here. Its focus on these features is unmatched, potentially saving you significant money. Mint offers some subscription tracking, but it's not as robust or proactive as Rocket Money's. Spending tracking and budgeting. Mint takes the lead with its comprehensive spending tracking and budgeting tools. Mint's budgeting features are more robust and user-friendly, with customizable budgets and insightful visualizations. Credit monitoring and financial planning. Mint offers more comprehensive credit monitoring and financial planning tools. If these features are important to you, Mint is the better choice. User interface. Both apps have user-friendly interfaces, but Mint generally receives higher ratings for its intuitive design and ease of navigation. Which one is right for you? The better app depends entirely on your individual needs and priorities. Choose Rocket Money if you're primarily concerned with saving money on bills and subscriptions. You want a proactive app that actively helps you find and cancel unused services. You're comfortable with a more limited focus on budgeting and spending tracking. Choose Mint if you're looking for a comprehensive personal finance platform that goes beyond bill negotiation. You want to create detailed budgets, track your spending closely, and gain a holistic view of your finances. Credit monitoring and financial planning are important to you. Beyond the basics. Consider your tech savviness. If you're not very tech savvy, Mint might be easier to use due to its more intuitive interface. Read user reviews, see what other users are saying about their experiences with both apps. Take advantage of free trials. Most apps offer free trials, allowing you to test them out and see which one you prefer. Tips for maximizing your use of either app. Connect all your accounts. To get the most out of either app, connect all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Categorize your expenses. accurately categorize your expenses for more accurate spending analysis. Set realistic budgets. Don't set unrealistic budgets that you're unlikely to stick to. Review your spending regularly. Regularly review your spending habits and make adjustments to your budget as needed. Take advantage of alerts and notifications. Set up alerts and notifications to stay on top of your spending and avoid overspending. In conclusion, both Rocket Money and Mint are valuable tools for managing your finances. The best choice for you will depend on your individual needs and priorities. By carefully considering your needs and utilizing the features of these apps effectively, you can gain a better understanding of your finances, reduce unnecessary spending, and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.